Greeting to you, dear traders, and you're watching the daily market review with me, financial analyst from Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lyin. And our data handling is dedicated as traditional to the technical analysis of forex majors. So let's start our review from the first pair. It will be intraday analysis of euro and US dollar. So the pace of the euro downtrend is slowing, although there is still room for more weakness. Below Wednesday's a 2-year low at 1.2212. Projected resistance at 1.2274 needs to cap corrective gains in order to keep the structure of this week's bear wave solid, while 1.2274 caps a downtrend extension towards 1.618 Fibonacci target at 1.2141 is the main threat. A recovery above 1.2274 would question the euro bearish outlook, although only a move above Tuesday's high at 1.2354 would lift the tone. Weekly chart of euro and US dollar trend is bearish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Japanese yen. The setback from Thursday's Asian session high at 79.97 is retracing the bull wave from Wednesday's low at 79.13. Wednesday's bullish outside day suggests a US dollar. Bulls will look to resist weakness to the 79.30 area before prompting a recovery back to the 79.97 high. However, US dollar bulls will only be boosted on a sustained break above the July 5th reaction high at 80.09. Loss of 79.30 would bring the 79.13 low back into the immediate picture, threatening a downtrend extension towards the important higher low at 78.61. Weekly chart of US dollar and Japanese yen trend is range. Next pair, let's see, will be intraday analysis of Great Britain pound and US dollar. So when this sharp setback from 1.5578 suggests the July 6th direction low at 1.5462 will be targeted this week, Great Britain pound bears remain in control of the short term, and a push below 1.5462 would prompt further weakness to 1.5430 and then the 41-month rising support line at 1.5409. On the reversal above 1.5578 would negate the Great Britain pound bearish outlook, opening 1.5630 and 1.5680. Weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is bearish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. When this probe into fresh 18-month highs keeps US dollar bulls on track for 0.9844 and then 0.9887, the broad drop trend also suggests resistance at 0.9920 will be surpassed longer term in order to meet a medium-term wave equality target at 1.40. However, the pace of the uptrend is waning, which could spark consolidation back towards Wednesday's low at 0.9767 and Tuesday's low at 0.9738. Only a move below 0.9738 would put US dollar bears in control. Okay, weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of Australian dollar and US dollar. Thursday's Asian session weakness strengthens Wednesday's high at 1.0283 and brings Monday's low at 1.0155 back into the immediate picture. A break below 1.0155 is threatened, exposing targets at 1.0108 and parity, which in turn would also strengthen the important July 5 reaction high at 1.0330. A recovery above 1.0250 is required to provide respite, but the 1.0283 high looks secure. Weekly chart of Australian dollar and US dollar trend is bullish. So, my dear traders, that was all for today. It was me in studio, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lyin. I wish you the fair trends and good luck and goodbye.